afternoon everyone, myself Shainika. I am studying 9th standard. Today's topic is real numbers. Real numbers is 5 types. Rational numbers, irrational numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. I am telling about rational numbers. Rational numbers is P by Q formula. PQ is integers. Q is not equal is not equal to O. Example 5 by 3, 0.63, 0.012 bar.
Natural numbers. Natural numbers is included by n. Example 1, 2, 3, infinity. Whole numbers. Whole numbers 0 to start. 0, 1, 2, 3, infinity.
Irrational numbers. Root 3 by 0.101001110. Infinity. Rational numbers. Non-terminating, non-recurring. Decimal. Integers. -2, 1, -1, 0, 1 to infinity. Z to start, 0 to